Welcome to Solidworks Simulation Express. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how to perform structural analysis of SolidWorks parts using Simulation Express. Simulation Express is included with every license of SolidWorks and is an analysis tool based on a numerical technique called finite element analysis, or FEA. It's a tool that allows you to test your models and predict how they'll behave in real-life situations. Armed with this information, you'll be able to design better parts and ultimately better products. SolidWorks allows you to design just about any product you can imagine. However, it may not always be clear whether the product will meet the demands it will face in real life. To gain some insight, the traditional approach has been to manufacture a prototype of the product and test it to see if it works. While this approach has proven to be effective for many years, it's also proven to be expensive and time-consuming. Computer-based design validation, like SolidWorks Simulation, has changed this approach. Now, instead of manufacturing and testing real parts, we can validate designs virtually before committing resources to a prototype. This approach improves product design early in the development process and reduces the number of prototypes necessary, resulting in a shorter, less costly design cycle. Simulation Express is very easy to use and does not require you to be an expert in finite element analysis or design validation to test your models. In this tutorial, we'll go through each of the steps in the Simulation Express wizard so you'll have a full understanding of how to test your models.